Bayambemba abwe batel boba na kibeni ane mpasiko ane kumputu mambu mabalo kiri kiamfu kitabu kiri amunderita sukiri yeah. Kuntukiri kumakuyi kuikwenda mambu masakiri kumputu kiamfu kitabu kiri bayani yeah bisukiri
Yamemba mambo nkame Yamemba Yesu bisukiri mama poka
Beno bale kibimpanga bisakiri kumputu minderi baba tukiri kulondi kiamfu kibwi bayani yeah bisukiri
Yamemba mambo nkame Yamemba Yesu bisukiri mama poka
Abayaya, marimwangazi, uike yanga batase, wanguri mpindi, tamangwana, uiko ganga tabawaku, uike yanga mpimba kabo bana, uiko ganga mpimba kabo bana, tukiri kumakuiri, uikwenda mambu masakiri, kumputu kiambu kitabuki, bayaya, beya bisukiri,
Yamemba mambo nkame Yamemba Yesu bisukiri mama ponga
Abale yeah Amenu Madagascar yeah Julio Rack from Madagascar, s'il vous plaît. Oh yeah. Mariaya, maringwakati, wike yanga batasea, makuri mpindi, kamangwana, wiko ganga tabawaku. Yambemba, yambemba. Kuntukiri kumakuiriri, kuikwenda mambu masakiri, kumbutu kiampu kitabuki, bayai, lukwa lungandi.
Yamemba mambo nkame Yamemba Yesu bisukiri mama ponga Yamemba lukale Yamemba lukale Yamemba lukale
Unale
Yamemba lukale
Makelekele
Yamemba lukale
Kuna boku
Yamemba lukale
Kuna boku
Yamemba lukale
Mama kuna ntona mbata
Yamemba lukale
Ukisantu kuna levu
Yamemba lukale
Nangiringa
Yamemba lukale
Kuna boku yaya
Yamemba lukale
Yambemba lutale
Yamemba lukale
Kuna ngiringa
Yamemba lukale
Kuna boku
Yamemba lukale Yamemba lukale Mariam Bembalutale.
Valérie,
Mariam Bembalutale.
pour vous, mesdames, mesdemoiselles,
Mariam Bembalutale.
Isabelle Gonzalez.
Mariam Bembalutale.
Parce qu'on est en Europe, hein, c'est la femme d'abord.
Mariam Bembalutale.
Kuna beaucoup.
Mariam Bembalutale.
Mama, kuna ntona bata.
Mariam Bembalutale.
Ukisantu kuna lemfu.
Mariam Bembalutale.
Kuna ngiringa.
Mariam Bembalutale.
Kukipa kuyaya.
Mariam Bembalutale.
Selembao, kitoki mosi.
Mariam Bembalutale. Mariam Bembalutale.
Moussa,
Mariam Bembalutale.
Burkina Faso.
Mariam Bembalutale. Mariam Bembalutale.
Colin Laroche, France.
Bembalutale.
Quel mélange.
Mariam Bembalutale. Mariam
Et le chef du groupe qui aime faire beaucoup de bruit, les abracadabra.
Bembalutale.
Émile Biayenda from Congo Brazza.
Mariam Bembalutale. Mariam Bembalutale.
Et nous sommes du même clan. Il est mon Congo, moi aussi je suis mon Congo. La langue que nous chantons, c'est le Kikongo, qui va du Gabon, Congo Brazza, Congo Kinshasa et l'Angola. Cela ne veut pas dire que nous sommes régionalistes. C'est la culture. Et voilà le Mangwana Band international. Yeah. Kuna beaucoup. Mama, kuna ntona mbaka.
Mariam Bembalutale.
Ukisantu kuna lefu.
Mariam Bembalutale. Mariam Bembalutale. Mariam Bembalutale. Mariam Bembalutale. Mariam Bembalutale. Mariam Bembalutale.
Onterano, kumenga mamosi, kikundi kajenwa, yonge denta vokupele sije mwendo, mokena yendenta compadre, pintu kakanda toma fukila, oke wa uko tumukini uzowa, badanga ndenta kemanta didiko. Mayala lele, tuzola ziana, compadre. Saluisa silange kanda wenye kwa ndenda. Onterano, que wada kile kumba. Tuzola ziana, kinduka makanda. Kete kasikila, makuku matatu. Kutusale, kenda wele kwa niyaya. Wabopila bandongi yaya. Wanyi kakangula. Wabopila bandongi yaya. Wanyi kakangula. Tuzola ziana. Mawila anga matamu. Kiendi,
Badi kiendi E mama E mangwana yaya Misikimbu kwa tunga E mangwana yaya Mwana kimbu kwa tunga Kuna milunga Misikimbu kwa tunga E malo mapunga Kuna makela Kiendi E yaya Badi kiendi E mama E mangwana yaya Misikimbu kwa tunga E mangwana yaya Mwana kimbu kwa tunga Kuna kangola E mangwana yaya E malo makunga Kuna makela Kiendi E yaya Mabwidi E makina lupwezo Lukebi Enjo mangwa Deko nonga lindo Mikolai Masaki Yekuba sinde Nana lukusoke la kake mamu Luvunulwenu Bajati sinda kitoloka Emangwana yaya Misikimbu kwa tunga Emangwana yaya Kuna kitesi yaya Emangwana yaya Emalo makunga Emalo makunga Kiendi Yaya Badi kiendi
Ana lukoki Asinkene wakunde Mincha munadamu chimfiavi mungo manisanga Keba Utakwenda kutanimani makwe Kwenda ni kwenda yaya Utakwenda kutanimani makwe Kwenda ni kwenda yaya aluye ana mambuya lutela kuna luko minsambu mimunuka samu nsimfiafi kakeba yani kakeba ye minsambu mimunu amambuya aluye lutela kuna luko luko kita kwenda katani manima kwenda ni kwenda ya luko kita kwenda katani manima kwenda ni kwenda ya luko kita kwenda katani manima kwenda ni kwenda ya luko kita kwenda katani manima kwenda ni kwenda ya anambeli ana luko amin samu mimunu samu nsikivumu keba abusunata makuanza kama nteri kumunu keba nge aluko ame min samu munu munsimfiafi kama nteri kumunu aya luko kikeba ana mambuya ana luye lutela kuna luko kikakeba mupima imunu lutela obi makasole kalomba kayamula baka mumayela mambi utakwenda kutali manima kwenda ni kwenda yayo utakwenda kutali manima kwenda ni kwenda yayo ikasaya po utakwenda kutali manima kwenda ni kwenda yayo yufila ni
Kiambote, Tata Devi.
Kiambote.
Nilama vimpi. Kiambote, nengote diwa.
Kiambote.
Nilama vimpi,
Tunama vimpi, tutondele. Yeyenu,
No, yetepe tunama vimpi, tutondele. Let me just say hello to the audience. Hello, Ngizambote. Ngizambote means welcome. This is Congo class. Congo is the language of Congo Kingdom. You could say former, but I don't like. For me, we are here. We are Congo people. So Congo Kingdom is here. So it's the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Gabon, south of Gabon, Congo Kinshasa and Brazzaville, then Angola, Tutondele. Okay. I was just doing some reading. We are going back to, revision, recap, yes. We're going back to verbs. Kikongo, basically, you done. I mean, almost there in terms of verbs. You know the future, Osinga, yes? The future, you Osinga is your eh, future is easy. Singa is your auxiliary. Then you add your verb. Then we have present continuous, present tense. The last one was present perfect. Yes, I think. Okay, we're going to go. We're going back to that anyway. Yes. Any question else? Tata David Sur Nangotario? Yes. Okay. Question for me then. Nengwatariwa. I'm going to Mbanza Congo. This continues. Continuous. You're going to Mbanza Congo.
You are going to Mbanza Congo. I'm
No, no, no. It's you saying, not me.
okay.
I'm going to Mbanza Congo. Yes, I'm going to Mbanza Congo.
I'm going to Mbanza Congo. Itakwenda.
Remember, let me just remind you.
Kumbanza Congo. Kumbanza Congo itakwenda.
Yes, Kumbanza Congo itakwenda. Remember, object first, then your pronoun. There's three things to remember. Object first, the last thing your verb. So in the middle you have your pronoun. Is it okay, Tata Dev? Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Object first, your verb the last. In the middle you have your pronoun. Remember when we're talking about object, destination, location, we have to use KU, kuna, yes? Kumbanza Congo itakwenda, yes. Continuous. So I live in Banza Congo. Tanda David, over to you.
Okay. Kumbanza.
You're not on the move. No, you're not moving. You're not on the move. I live. You live static. You live in Banza Congo, yes.
Mm-hmm. Mbanza Congo Ivinganga.
Well done. Kumbanza Congo Izingang. Yes. Present, what do you call it? Present, yes, present tense. I live in Banza Congo. The keyword is you add NGA at the end. Yeah? You got your verb as it is. You add NGA. Are we okay? Is it clear? Yes, well done. Okay. Basically, we went back to that because it's very important. You're doing well. I mean, talking about reading, according to linguists, we have 4 parts, four branches. Yes, phonology. Yes, morphology, syntax, semantic, pragmatics. 5. Yes. So phonology, Kikongo, Tuna language. This is we will be going over and over again. We need to know syntax. I mean, one aspect is the verbs. Yes. So you read. We need to conjugate verbs. Yeah, of course. We need to focus on that. Okay. Are we okay? Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Is my mic sound? Is it clear? My mic? Because I keep.
Yeah, there's some background noise and sometimes it fades in and out, but right now it's fine.
Can't wait. Okay. Never mind. Yes. Where are we? Okay. Yes, this is the. Sorry. Can you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. This is the. Let me just try to find my point. Verb to be that David. Remember.
Mm-hmm.
We need to remember this. This is color, but look at the transformation. I mean, transformation. This is the verb color, infinitive, but yes, this is the things you need to remember. Kala is this one. No. Nenga tell you yes. I can't hear you. Nenga tell you. Nenga tell you. Can you hear me? Tatan Devi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Nenga tell you. You're on mute then.
Oh, yes, I can hear you. Sorry.
Yes. Okay. Kala is your verb, infinitive, yes. Kala, but you need to remember na because ngina, we have a wuna, we have a tuna, luna, bena. Let me just add that word is here.
Kiambute.
Camel
Kiambote.
Cambodia.
Yeah.
Cambodia.
Kiambote. Let me just we're going back to, I mean, just a recap, going back to
Okay.
verbs, yes.
Yes.
So far we've learned 3, 4 sentences. These are the main one. The past is very hard, so we're just focusing on future. Future's easy. Isinga, usinga. Basically, future you got singa is your auxiliary, then you add your verb.
Okay.
Then give me just 1 minute, yes. So we have color is to be, yes.
Yes.
So the thing to remember here is na. Basically, the verb is there, color, but na is the main thing to remember because we have ngina, I am, you are, wuna, okena. It depends on. I don't know how to explain it, but wuna, okena, yes. Then Tuluba. Are we comfortable with this one? Tuluba, yes?
Yeah. Tuna, Luna,
Yes.
Vena. Mm-hmm.
Sorry, Levin.
No. I was just going over them. Yes. No, it's clear.
Yes. Okay. Ngina, Una, Tuna, Una again. Sorry. Ngina, Una, Tuna, Una twice. Second, third person singular. Una, Tuna, As, Luna, Bena. Question, Tata,
When you use the be in front of it, let's say with other words, because I saw a word, I think it was be and sika or
I
something like
can't
that.
hear you. Is that me? I can't hear you.
Oh, well, can anyone hear me?
Yeah, we can hear
Yeah.
you,
Yes, we can
RJ.
hear you.
Oh, okay. Tata, can you hear me now?
Yeah, you go ahead.
Okay, so when you use the, let's say the bena, but the be, which is the third person, I
Plural.
saw,
Plural, yeah?
in plural.
Yes.
I saw a word the other day. I think it was be and sika. Didn't know what that meant, but so when you use,
How do you spell it?
I think it was BENISIKA, I think.
I'm not sure. Sir, what was the question? Tata, I didn't get it.
No, I was saying, so when you use the be in front of it, does it just mean they, or
Okay. Good question. Okay, it is always third singular. Ba or be. Yes.
okay.
Yeah, ba or
Okay.
be. Yes. Then you have your attributes, mbote. But if you're using attributes, you go wambote ngina, I'm fine. Yes.
Yes.
Wambote. Remember wa singular, then from plural is ba. Bambote tuna. Wambote kwa mingina. Yes, this is easier. We're adding kwame assistance. Is it clear? Nengwatariwa.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, this is it. But basically, you're doing it well. I mean, in terms of syntax, taking the verbs aspect, you're doing well. We are all 60-70%. It's fine. 60-70% of this aspect, you're doing it. I mean, I want you to be comfortable on this one. So remember, we have tonic pronouns and how do you call it? Do you call it standard pronoun? Yes,
Yes.
personal pronoun. Let's say standard one. Just remember EUA, yeah, singular, then tuluba. It's okay. You got that, yes?
Yes.
It's okay. Just remember IUA. So IUA, then you have a tuluba for the plural. So remember Tata Makonde on his manual is using both tonic and standard. Mono Isinga, remember? Future, talking about future. Mono Isinga, he using mono and E, so you have both. Ita, remember? Present continuous. Ita. Ta is your ing, yes? Ta. Then you have your E. Remember, singular, I. Singular is IUA. Third person singular, A bracket K, to bar. Yes. Zinga. Present tense. Remember, let me just try like it. Let me just ask questions to
No, I just didn't get a chance to copy that particular paper, but I'm just looking online or see if I have anything close to that.
I'm just going to ask a question, Tata, yes? Zinga means to live. I live in Banza, Congo. Over to you, brother. Yes.
Oh yeah. I didn't know you were talking to me.
Go ahead.
I thought you was talking to everybody. Okay, so what you want me to do? I'm sorry.
Hello, sister.
Okay.
Yeah, welcome. So we're just going back to the same thing, but I just want to make sure that we are fine. We're there, yes? This is one of the pillars. Pillars in Kikongo, let me just write it down. Pillars. Makunzi, yeah? Makunzi. Kunzi. Kunzi. Makunzi means pillars. So this in terms of syntax, I mean, this is very important. We almost 60-70% because we know how to know, we've learned the future. Singa, isinga kwenda, yes. I will go, I'm going. Singa basically is your will. You will in English. I will do. Yes. Singa is your auxiliary. Are we okay? Yes.
Yes.
Singa, future. So we've learning. You can see we have present tense. We know present continuous. Then another tense. Don't worry about the don't worry about the past because you don't live in past. Sorry, I'm joking. No, Kikongo past is the hardest. It's very very hard. I mean, to the natives, we take it for granted. Okay. Over to you, brother in Los Angeles. Brother Odi, I live in Banza, Congo.
That would
Don't go
be
far. Everything's there. I live in Banza, Congo.
that would be Zinga. I'm sorry, Izinga.
Remember the rule. Your object first, always object. Basically, we have object far left, then your verb far right. In the middle, we have personal pronoun. Okay.
Okay.
But when you're talking location, of course, you have to use ku, kuna, ku. So object first.
So would that be
Ku, ku.
Kuna?
Banza Congo.
Okay. Okay. Ku Mbanza Congo.
You can say kuna, ku. It doesn't matter. Kumbanza Congo, yeah.
Yes.
Kumbanza Congo. Then your pronoun.
I thought I finished. I'm still trying to say. Okay.
Kumbanza Congo
Izinga.
Almost there.
Okay.
Yeah,
Kubanza
good.
Congo. Izinga.
Yeah. Almost there. Izinganga. Yes, bravo.
Okay, man.
Can you see?
Yeah.
You have your verb. Just add nga at the end. Yes.
Yes.
Kumbanza Congo is well, bravo.
Kubanza Congo Izinga.
Izinganga.
Izinga.
Yes. Izinganga. Yes.
Izinganga.
Yeah, well done. Okay, Sister Candace, I'm going to Mbanza, Congo. Remember, TA is you have your personal pronoun. TA, just add TA is your continuous. Yes, please. Object first, yeah. Kumbanza, Congo. Yes.
Kubanza Congo.
Kwenda is to go. Kwenda is to go. Yes.
Kubanza Congo.
Ita.
Ita Kwenda.
Well done. Yes. Kumbanza
Is that it? Okay.
Yeah, Kumbanza Ita Kwenda is there. Continuous. Ita, Uta, bless you.
Thank you.
Tuta, Luta, Bata Kwenda.
So it's Kubanza Congo to Kubanza Congo Ita Kwenda.
Yes. Okay. Let me just go back. We're talking about verbs. I mean, I was just reading here the basic things according to linguists, the way they divide the branches. We have phonology, morphology, this is biology, syntax, semantics, pragmatics. We're focusing on syntax, verbs, yes, aspect. So you're doing well. So far, what we're learning now is 60 or 70% of the essential, I mean, the basics once you know that, you know, of course, you know your future, you know present continuous. Mm, what else? Let me just go back. Present tense. You should be okay. You should be okay. In terms of talking Congo, speaking. Any questions?
Not right
Tata
now. No.
David, yes.
No,
Let me just
we're
go
good.
back.
We're
Let me
good.
just go back. Remember your personal pronoun. This is we must. We have no choice. We must. What we learn now, these are pillars. Makunzi in Congo, yeah? Pillars. Yeah. Go. I did send you this file, yes? Last
Uh,
Yes.
yeah. Yeah. The last file I sent, yes. So your R is just by coincidence. I in English, I am, I. Union is you in English, you are. A is she, he. Yeah. A bracket K, yes. Tuluba. Okay. If there's no question, we are going to move to a talk, yes. I'm going to display a talk. Give 1 minute. Remember, Tatama Konde kwa on this guide, let me chat file on this one. He's using personal. Let me just pronoun tonic and at the same time the standard. When you say mono isinga, this is Congo. We're using pronoun twice. Are we okay? That what that is?
Yes.
Mono is me. Yeah. Basically saying me, I. Yes.
Yes, me,
Me, I. Mono isinga. Yeah. Me, I. Yes. Okay, let us go back to talk. Tata Utokozima can be. Tata David, you tell me. What does it mean? Utokozima can be. Tata David.
Okay. You just want me to read this off the slide?
No, I'm saying Congo word Utokozi. Remember?
Utokozi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Utokozi means you know that.
No,
You know that. Sorry?
um, it would mean you do something, but you singular. But I'm not sure what kutozi is.
Okay, I got you. Okay, never mind. I got you. I want. I understand. I see your logic, but this is a word, not a verb.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
I know. You know that. I remember. You know that. That Nengo Tediba, help us. Utokozi.
Oh, doesn't it means ingratitude?
Yeah, Utokozi means ingratitude.
Oh, yes, yes, I
Like,
remember.
yeah, yeah. That's why we always say thank you to our ancestors, our elders. Yeah. In this case, we are saying thank you to Papa Makonde kwa Nengwa Professor Hezo Carter. So this is Hezo Carter, Professor Hezo Carter talking. We are here to talk. Yes. We are here to learn to speak Kikongo. Professor Hezo Carter, she was good. Yes. Award from the African Language Teachers Association. This is very important. Remember, Kikongo is tonal language. That's why I keep saying past is hard. Yamunawo. Let me see that. Yamunawo, I saw it. See? So we Don't worry about the past yet. Anyway, we'll be there. We'll go there in due time. Yes. Okay. First, second, singular object concords. Zolele. 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 Okay. Tata Audrey. And then what tell you? First line, Tata Audrey. Yes. Audrey. The first line, the second line, Tata, and then what tell you?
Okay.
Please.
Zolele kun Kili.
Zolele kun Kile.
Zolele kun Kile.
Yeah, thank you. Well done.
Oh, do you want to visit me?
No, you done well. No. Tata, then what tell you? Your second line, please.
Elo Nzolele Kukila.
Kukila, thank you. Kila is the verb, yes? Remember, this is Congo, it's not me. This is the linguists say. Because pause. This is one word. Cool. Kila is here, the verb is here. You don't say Nzolele ku. You don't pause ku, then Kila. No, you just say Kukila, yes. Tata David and Nengwa Candace, please. First line, Tata David. Thank you.
Okay. Zolele Kunsadise.
Zolele Kunsadise. Can you say that again, please?
Okay. Zolele Kunsadise.
Thank you.
Elo Zolele Kusadisa.
Well done, Zolele Kunsadise. Thank you. Zolele Kunsadise. Yes. Let me just pause a bit here. Number Kunsadisa. Sadisa to help. Zolele. Zolele Kunsadisa.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
It looks as though, well, you wouldn't suspect reading this that the accent would be on the kunsadise. It looks, because there's no accent mark on the A, so I'm wondering.
Okay.
Is it just weird?
Kunsadise. Accent is in D. Kunsadise. Yeah.
Okay.
I, yes. Kunsadise. Okay. Then I'm going to tell you, how would you say, do you want to help us?
Are you talking to me?
And I'm going to tell you, sorry, sister, I'm going to tell you.
They want to help us. If you say
Your mic is.
so you say Bazolele Kunsadise.
Can you come close to your mic? Then I'm going to tell you.
Oh, I guess you would say Bazolele Kunsadise.
You're right, because ba is they.
We're talking.
That's what I'm thinking.
Do you want to help us? That's the name of the us.
Oh, do you want to help us? Oh, then you say.
All that you said on they wanted.
Zolele Tusadise.
Sorry.
You say Zolele Tusadise.
You keep KU.
Oh, Kutu.
Well done, yes. Kudu Sadise, yes.
So what is it?
How do I break it down? Yes, Sadisa is your verb. Yes.
But I mean, the Zolele, was it two Zolele?
Zolele, in this case, once, yes, to once, yes.
But I mean, first she said she thought it was Bazolele. So what is it actually?
The question was, to say in Kikongo, do you want to help us instead of me?
Well, when she had used the ba, because I thought you said, "Do they want to help us?" or
Oh, I'm
something
sorry.
like
No.
that.
Sorry.
I
Confusing.
still don't know what the right answer is.
Okay, let me just go back. Do you want to help me? This is what we have on the screen. How do I say, do you want to help us? So, remember your Tuluba stands, you just add KU, remember KU and 2. Kutu Sadise.
So
So
that
Zolele
Kutu,
Kusadise is, yeah, do you want to help us?
Yes.
Zolale Kutu Sadise. Okay.
Yeah, let me try to highlight something very hard. Congo. This N is there because it's the first person. First person is always nasal, yes? Tadisa. So when you go for first plural, kutu sadisa, you drop the N. Is it clear?
yes.
Yes.
Kutu sadisa. Let me try to bring some. Let me just pause a bit here. Let's just go back to. Bear with me. Let me go back to this one. So you are brave people, you know. I mean it, man. You can see it's not easy, you know. It's not easy. Okay, let us go back to this one. We have found this. Yes? Are we okay with this? Yes? Are you? Yes?
Yes.
Please remember, just memorize. You need to know that I-U-A bracket K Tuluba. This is standard. This is standard. We have this is present tense, present continuous. We have a I, but present perfect tense, present. I would say present perfect indicative. We are not using personal pronouns. I mean, at least for singular. Are we okay?
That paper right, that this one is on the latest one you sent, right? Or is it different?
Sorry, can say it again, brother?
The one that you're showing now, is it on the latest file that you sent us?
Yes, the last slide. Yes, it is. So I just want to highlight something here. Can you see this singular? Yes, one first person, second, third. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
We're not using the personal pronoun. Sister Candace? Yes.
Yes, I'm looking at that.
Yeah, because remember,
Mhm.
I-U-A, I, you, him, her, on A, yes. But here, in singular, we're just using, when you say ndidi, your nasal is your first person. Is it okay, David?
Indeed.
Yes,
Right.
yes,
And then DD.
yes.
No, DDD is second and third, right?
D, yes,
Yeah.
yes. Am I clear? We're not touching on I, ita, I mean, you. As long as you say N, we know that this is the first person. Are we okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, this is the same thing we have on that slide. When I say Zolele Kuntadi say, by saying Nta, we know Nezol is the first person. Is it clear? Yeah. Zolele Kuntadi say, if I say, if I say, Kumbanza itakwenda, no, is me, first person. Isinga kwenda, I will go, yeah, I'm going. Isinga kwenda, no, E is I in English, first person. So, but when it comes to present perfect indicative, at least on singular, we don't use pronoun. We know that by saying DD, we mean first person, DD second, so on. But plural is clear. Plural, to DD, yes, by DD. Questions?
Well, just so I'm clear, the second and third is DDD.
Yeah,
right?
well done. Yeah, just remember the first, I mean, basically the standard, well, I mean, let's say standard. Kikongo first person is ND, sorry, nasal N, yes, NM. Nzolele, when I say Nzolele, as soon as I say Nzolele, you know that nasal, this is me, first person, yes? Nzolele, I want. So it means I want. Kosokele, yeah, I'm sitting down. Yes, we're done for today's question. Sorry, I'm smiling because I know that it's hard, not easy. Yes, not easy. But
Okay,
we do
well,
it
for Sister Candace's question, it is just Didi and Didi, right, for second and third person, not DDD. It's just two syllables, right? DD and DD.
Oh, no,
First,
no.
first person is with the
Let me
nasal.
just bring it back. Let me just bring it back. DD. It's just DD.
Because on the paper it says DIDIDI. So that's why I thought it was DDD.
Mm-mm.
Okay, so I'll
Okay.
change it.
One minute, sister. DD, yes? Can you see DD?
Yeah, I see that. But on our paper that we had from, I don't know, a few weeks ago, it had DDD. So I'll change it.
Oh, no, I did send another paper, but the
No, I
next
think
one,
this is on the latest.
the latest, before yesterday, I think.
Okay, no, this is an older one that I have.
Yeah, so we
Oh,
just make a
okay.
copy of that one.
That was a mistake, sorry.
Okay.
DD,
2DD.
DD, by DD.
Okay.
Yes. The thing to remember here is present perfect indicative, just go no pronoun and no personal pronoun. Your first person, I mean, your first singular is your nasal, yes. It's okay, Sister Clear?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Tutondele, thank you for your time. It's Sunday.
Tutondele.
Tudondele.
Then the Cambote, have a good week.
Okay, Salah Kiambote.
Salah
Sala
Kiambote.
Kiambote.
Tutondele.
Ekietu yangani kawauko iwau bongele meso mwene isibudi matu uwidi ikonzo dienu Yeno luvo vangabo kongo diafwa Yeno luvo vangabo kongo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu bizatala kwenwe Ekulungi mjikasi kongo diatungwa Yeno luvo vangabo kongo diafwa Yeno luvo vangabo kongo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu bizatala kwenwe Ekulungi mjikasi kongo diatungwa
Pipa uma história que tá gravando na minha memória. África foi sempre linda, o nosso berço da humanidade. Havia muito renado, havia muita felicidade. Vivíamos dentro da lei. Falo do reino do Congo, Ninha Lukeni conhecerei o Culumbimbi em Banza onde está.
Agradecemos a todos aqueles que preservam a cultura nacional, a Sua Excelência Governador da Província do Zaire, ao Conselho de Ancião e o seu responsável do Lumbo, Afonso Mendes, Papá Matalulu, Farmácia Salaquaco, chefe de Bete, a FEPRO, elenco do 6, do Butulama todo, com luta muito socorro.
Vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, venha conhecerei o patrimônio, venha conhecerei o Culumbimbi em Banza onde está.
Patata Luisa tuna kweto muna Congo, Mama Luisa tuna kweto muna Congo, Olusolele kumambu meno muna Congo, Monongeli gele kom